Hardwood floors are beautiful, but over time they can become dull. I'm going to go over how to identify what type of finish you have on your floor, common causes of a dull floor, and how to keep them clean and shiny. Now, first of all, your floor's finish is probably one of three types of finishes. There's a polyurethane or surface applied factory finish. That's what we have here. That feels kind of plasticky and glossy and looks like a layer applied to the top of the board. There are also oiled finishes. Natural wood oils like linseed or tung penetrate the grain. They result in a warm, matte finish. And then there are waxed finishes. Wax is sometimes applied over an oil finish, but that's indicated by telltale signs of hazing and waxy buildup in the cracks. Now, over time, your floors can get dull for a number of reasons, and that includes pets, children, normal wear and tear and traffic, dragging furniture around, the age of your house, any number of normal household activities. So let's start by how to keep your floors clean and shiny. First of all, sweep regularly. Dust and debris acts like an abrasive underfoot. So if you remove that dust and debris consistently, you can reduce that friction. One good sweeping technique is to sweep with the grain of your floorboards. That way, you're not just sweeping all the dust and debris into the cracks between them. Now that the floor is swept, I'm ready to mop. You never want to mop a dirty floor because that just turns all the dust and debris into a paste that you then spackle into the cracks and grain. So definitely sweep or vacuum first, and then when you mop, all you really need is water. Plain water. You don't want to use cleaners or polishes because they just tend to strip the finish or leave residue. And residue attracts dirt and makes the whole thing harder to clean. So plain water followed by a buffing is the right way to go. I like to mop in my socks. That way I don't get footprints on the clean floor. A slightly damp mop will pick up everything, all that fine particulate and any schmutz. After mopping, come back and buff the floor dry. You can use clean cloth diapers, a flat mop head, or microfiber cloths, but go over the entire floor and take the time to buff a drying floor until it's completely dry. There's a number of things you can do to extend the life of your hardwood floors. You can institute a no-shoe policy, clip your pet's nails, or use furniture protectors. Hardwood floors are beautiful. Take good care of them. Plus, clean, shiny hardwood floors make for excellent sock dancing.